This tweak is called O2. I do not know what it can do. I can't read this, unfortunately. And one of my favorite tweets on the list is called App Editor. Across iOS 13 and 14, you get a bunch of features, guys. You guys can read for yourself. I just scroll down all the features you guys get with just one tweak. Definitely worth it, guys. My favorite tweets. It's like multiple tweets into one. $4.99. It's not bad for everything you get with this tweak. This tweet's called Zero. Supports hours 8 to 14. Not exactly sure what this does. This tweet's called UU Plus, and the best tweak for the YouTube app. Powered by iOS 13 and 14. These are the features you guys get. This is called Nice Bar Ets, and this bar is free. Called Wallpaper Loader. It's both iOS 13 and 14. Enables custom wallpaper bundles to be loaded into the default wallpaper list. It's called Safari Plus. Various enhancements to Safari, so you can read all the features you guys get with Safari. Privacy features, upload and downloads features, usability, actions, gestures, customization. Force hours 8.4 to 14.8. OTA blocker, blocks OTA updates. We have a tweak off the session, restore without updating via root file system DMG. So session full clean, restore system work, iOS 8 14.8, iPhone 11 and Pro Max. So you can also restore your device and should really hopefully keep all your data. We have a tweak called Success, Path iOS total 14, customize top bar elements. You customize these right here. And we have a successful uninstall. It gives a message to tell you that your app has been successfully deleted. This is called iCleaner Pro, supports iOS 4 to 14.4.x to 14.x. So you get all this features, but pretty much you can clean up your device, save space, and delete files that you guys don't even use. So that unnecessary files also take up space. And you can also use this to I guess pretty much does this, cleans up spaces and moves the unnecessary files.